losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
That piece is done. Oh, we're getting all the chicken. Oh, here comes some more string. Hate it when they do the string like this. Like, it's horrible. Oh, that's a bone. Bone out. Oop. We're getting into the thigh, so we're going to get some bones. Got to get your hands dirty if you're going to make your dogs happy. Dogs want to be happy. So now, let's see how much chicken we got left. Go ahead and get this big old piece off. Go ahead and get the skin off. You could give them the skin, but it's just not as healthy to give them the skin. This is rotisserie from Costco. And no, you don't get to do this. And then we got bones in here. We got to get the bones out of there. Now, a lot of people would be afraid to do this. I mean, there's people out there that are scared of even eating chicken off a bone. It makes no sense to me because it's natural. But, hey, I don't want to argue. Ooh, look at the string. They put a lot of string on this. That's what they use to roast it in so it stays together. And we're about to be done because I'm about done peeling this chicken. We still have a few more pieces. We can get those pieces off. Now, if you're afraid to get your hands dirty, you're not going to do this. This is why a lot of people won't even bother with chicken meat sometimes, or even cook it themselves, because they don't really want to get their hands dirty. We got some good pieces in here. So now, we're pretty much done. I'm not going to give him the chicken wing. Yeah, we're done. There's one more good piece and we're done. So that's going to go up here. And here come the doggy bowls. Ooh, I caught in your cage. horrible, horrible Dublin. He's always the worst. He always tries to get more pieces than he should. So now we're going to try to be fair and even. We're going to take a scoop. Take a scoop. Take a scoop. Then we're going to take another scoop. Another scoop. Another scoop. 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 All right. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, you gonna jump for chicken? You gonna jump for chicken? You want chicken? Oh, you're happy for chicken. All right, here we go. Chicken. Chicken. Say, I want chicken. Woo! You know you're being video, so you won't say it. But you want it, don't you? You want the chicken. Okay, have the chicken.